Hey guys, welcome back once again. In this video, I am going to show you how to filter an array based on search condition. As you can see, a array of numbers, so it have combination of negative and positive number. So let's find all positive number by using filter. So let's get started. And here numbers dot filter, and filter is going to take one callback function. Okay, and that callback function is going to have three parameter. First parameter is value, second is index, and third is array. Okay, so let me define here callback function, and I need value only, so I can write here number, and this callback function is going to return a condition. Okay, so return, and what condition should be for the positive number? Number should be greater than or equal to 0, right? So what filter will do? Filter is this callback function is going to return true or false based on condition. If the condition is true, this filter will return back you a array with that element. Okay, if condition is false, it won't return anything, and filter is going to create a new array for you. So let me define here new array and called it as positive number. That means positive numbers, that means it's not going to modify this old array. Okay, it will give you new array. So let me save this, and here I can write console.log positive numbers, and let me execute this node index.js. As you can see here, I am getting all positive numbers. As you can see, as of now I am using regular function, so let me convert it with arrow function. Okay, so what can I do? I can remove this symbol function, and I can remove this bracket as well because it's a single parameter. Okay, and I can give here fat arrow. Okay, now this is a single line, so I can remove this return and this bracket as well. Okay, remove this one, and now it's become a one line code. Okay, so this is how that expression is converted into arrow function. So if you want to learn more about arrow function, you can find link in the description of this video where I have explained. Okay, now let me execute once again. So you can see still we are getting same thing. Okay, now what I wanted to do, here I have number 6, 18. So I wanted to convert each and every number into an object. Okay, so it have to be like this: numbers equal to, let's consider first value 6, so number equal to 6 and square. Okay, so square of 6 is 36, right? So it have to be like this, each and every value. How can we achieve this one? So basically what we are trying to do, we are modifying a structure of a array, and we can say a structure of a object, right? So in this case what we can use? We can use map. We have positive numbers which will give me all positive numbers. Now I can write here map, and here I can start writing arrow function, so it will give me a single number, and this map is going to return a object like this. Okay, which is going to contain number and is square of the number. So I have to open the bracket, and I can write here return, and here once again bracket, and I can form my object here. Okay, so I have here number, so let me write number equal to which number? So this is the number, right? So this number, comma, and I have to give this square, so square equal to number into number. Okay, so let's save it. This map will also return a array. Okay, so let me get it here. Values, and let me do console log. Okay, comment this line and execute. So as you can see here, number 6 square 36, number 18 square. Okay, so we are started getting like this. Now what I can do here, I can return this statement, return from here, and instead of giving curly bracket, I can replace by simple bracket. Okay, so you don't need to write return statement. Okay, now let me execute this. So still you can see we are getting the same array. So this is going to be array of object. Okay, now instead of doing here and creating a new object called values, what I can do, I can copy this function, okay, and paste it directly here. Okay, now let me comment this line and this value as well, and let me uncomment this one, positive number. Execute this. So you can see here still I am getting same result. Why? Because when the filtered this condition is true, then only it will go to map. Okay, and map will return this form, so it will store it the positive number. Okay, so now we can write here positive numbers square, right? So it will be more meaningful. Okay, so writing more than one function, this is called chaining. Okay, I wrote here filter, and once the filter is true, then only it will go to map. So this is called chaining. Okay guys, if you want to learn more about map, you can find a link on description of this video where I have explained about map. Okay, so that's it guys. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. See you in next video.